Hey everybody, today we are going to get into reviewing and checking out this Elektrikat vacuum. Now, one of the things I think that are really cool about portable vacuums is that when you get it, you already know that it's not going to be as powerful as some crazy big plug into the wall vacuum, but you know that you want to get one that's good quality and is able to go with you anywhere. That's why it's portable. And so we're going to take this one, we're going to test it out, put it into some different places. I've got a van I need to vacuum, see how much dirt it can use. We'll use it around the different houses and things like that. So let's go ahead and get it open. Now, first thing right off the bat, it's got a nice little presentation, really smooth carrying case. And then on top of that, it has all the little pieces inside, the USB charger, the waste tank, obviously the vacuum itself, and then of course you've got the different attachments that goes with it, the hose. Now, something that really stood out to me that is really interesting about it is that most of the time when you have a vacuum like this, it only does one thing. It just sucks air, dirt, and things like that inside of it. The cool thing about this to me is that they added an attachment to where you can actually use the back side of it, the exhaust blow side, and then now it becomes a pressure air blower. So that's really cool to me. So we're gonna go ahead and show you guys exactly what it looks like, how it works, and how effective it is. So let's go check it out. Okay, so we're out here in the van, and it's an older one, but it was our old family car, and it's definitely just been used. It's got a lot of dirt there in the back, so we're gonna get out here and just show it in action. Let's get to work. So as you guys can see, I have plenty of debris in here, just normal. I have a family car kind of stuff, just a lot of things that the vacuum can really just get in there and take care of. So we're gonna put it to the test. Okay, so there are two settings on this. There's low power and high power. So the first part will be low power, and then we'll go to high. So you hold it for 2 seconds. Now you got some power. So even at low power, it's still pretty nice. Okay, now we'll go to high power. All right, so we were able to actually see what this thing can do. Now, you guys can see right here, it collected. I've cleaned it a few times, but it definitely collects a whole lot of everything. And you can see right here that even big things like pieces of paper, all kinds of stuff will go inside of here, inside of the canister. So we did it on like a heavy duty job. Let's go to my other car and then just do a lighter job to see, you know, how much more effective it can be, you know, for a smaller one. Okay, so we're at my other car, and the problem with this car is normally I have kids, so every time they get in and out of the car, they leave some type of debris here. So we're gonna see it in action. Alright, so you guys saw it in action. I mean, this thing does in fact suck, no pun intended. But it comes with the attachments. It can be used inside the office, in a garage, in a car. I do like the fact that if you just took just this and the canister and like put it inside of your trunk somewhere, it would be an excellent thing to just real quick clean up all the light messes, especially if you have on some silicone mats or like rubber mats that keep the floor normally clean. This thing will pop in there with a great filter and be able to keep your car clean. Overall, I think it's a pretty solid portable vacuum. Obviously, again, like I said, it's not going to replace a commercial vacuum or some heavy duty type vacuum, but for a portable thing, it does suck.